I'm going to show you today a Mindy lock. It's pretty large and heavy. It's about 2 3/4 by 4 inches, or 7 by 11 millimeters. A good size lock. Very beefy, thick, hardened shackle. This is the key. It has 4 steps on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 concentric rings in here that correspond with these cuts. And when the key is inserted and these notches engage the rings that are in there, it depresses it and allows the shackle to be released. So you press it in, rotate it, it opens. Close it back up. Now, I do not know how to pick this. I've seen it picked before, and basically what it is you get a tension wrench, stick it to the very bottom of the lock to where it is tensioned. On the key, you can see this little notch at the end. That's where it slips into a groove and is tensioned. So you use a wiper blade or something down in there to apply the tension, and then you get a probe and you go in there and you just depress each one of the rings until you get them all lined up, and the core will turn and the lock will open. But I haven't been able to do that. It is very much like this lock I had opened up in the previous video. Here's the key, and here's the keyway. What that does is this key goes in there and depresses 3 concentric rings in there to a certain depth, and allows you to open the lock up like that. And here you can see the rings right here. 1, 2, 3. And this key pushes those 3. One, the center one, and the bottom one, to open the lock up. That's basically how the Mindy lock works. But since I can't pick it, I am going to do the next best thing. I am going to shim it open. And we do that simply by inserting some large shims, since this is I don't even know, looks like it's a millimeter thick shaft or clasp. And we'll stick this one down in here. We'll rotate them toward the inside of the lock. Push them down. And we have it open. To me, that's a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster to get into this unique Mindy lock. So thanks for watching.